Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Toyota Tundra Platinum. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.